In ancient Rome, sneezing was considered a sign of good luck. Whenever a person sneezed, it was believed that the gods were blessing them. And people would say, "Jupiter preserve you," as a sign of good luck. The phrase was used to invoke the protection of Jupiter, the king of the gods. It was also believed that a sneeze could expel evil spirits from the body. This led to the practice of saying, "Jupiter preserve you," whenever someone sneezed. And even though we no longer believe in these superstitions today, the legacy of ancient Rome lives on.